Ladder safety is no laughing matter. Let's dive in, shall we? Rungs should be free of all debris or loose items. All screws and bolts on the ladder should be tight and secure. Ladder extension locks should move freely and lock correctly. Labels on the ladder should be readable. The work area should be inspected to ensure the ladder's stability. Face the ladder when climbing up or down, and use at least one hand to grip the ladder. Have another employee or staff member hold large ladders when climbing. Always maintain 3 points of contact. Make sure your work area is properly lit to identify potential dangers. Communicate defects and hazards so they can be repaired. Do not move or extend the ladder while in use, or carry objects that can cause a loss of balance. Avoid climbing a closed ladder, or climbing a ladder while drunk or impaired. Never stand on top of a ladder because it will throw it off balance. Now always remember, the ladder is your friend.